Hello everybody, welcome back, Fumbler here. And yeah, today we're going to have a look on this double euro. It's stamped K and K. I don't know what this brand is, I've never seen it. If we compare it to an Abus, it seems to have just the mirrored keyway, almost. And yeah, here's the key, it's a 5-pin lock. And this was also given to me by Hunson, so thanks again for lending this to me, so I can give it a try. And yeah, let's put it in a vise and hopefully pick it. See you back in a second. Okay, here we are back in a vise. Key works fine. And let's put this 1mm tensioner in. And I will be using this very nice pick from Moki in 0.5mm, which goes right through the wadding. So good click on one. Back to one. And something on two. Not fully convinced. Okay, 3 is not binding yet. I think that's 5 here. No, 4. So good click on 4. Again 1. Nothing on 2 and 3. Okay, 5 is binding. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5 is still binding. I think it's okay now. 1 again, 2, nothing. Good click on 3. Still nothing on 2. Let's check 1 again. So the pins feel like standards, but they also feel tapered. So 5 is good, 4 is good. Just tapped on 1 and we're open. Very nice. Okay, so we'll fast forward the gutting and see you back in a second. So, welcome back from fast forward. Yeah, really nothing special about the core. Just 5 chambers. Yeah. So no drill protection or anything. And for the key pins also, there's nothing spectacular. Or the pins overall. All drivers are standard. And I cannot say that they're tapered very much. But the key pins are a bit chamfered towards the shear line. So if you look on that end, it should give you an advantage when picking. So I guess when you rake it or overset these, they should spring back to shear line more easy. Yeah, so that's all I have on this K&K lock. Was an interesting experience to pick because I haven't picked a standard pinned lock in a while. And yeah, happy to have gotten it. So thanks again, Hunson, and everybody who's here. Thanks for watching. So hope to see you in the next video. Please subscribe. Bye.